Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be walking you through on how I did this nail art. Of course, before anything else, it's a must to use a base coat. So, I'm using a peel-off base coat and I'm applying 2 coats, letting each layer to dry before applying another. Then I'm applying a milky pink shade, and this will be my base color for today's nail art. Then I'm applying another layer of it. After letting my base coat to dry, I'm applying a clear polish on top of it. This will seal in my base shade, and once I stamp a design over it, it won't smudge together with the base when I'm applying another clear polish on top of it again. While I let the clear polish to dry, I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails. Don't forget to apply some on the tip of your finger's skin. Now let's stamp a mermaid scale design in white. After stamping, let's clean up the sides with a brush dipped in nail polish remover. I won't be peeling off the liquid latex yet because I'm gonna be doing a gradient in a bit. I'm applying another layer of clear polish to seal in the mermaid scales pattern. Get a cosmetic sponge, and I'm using a thin one because I'll just be doing a gradient on the tips of my nails. Then I'm applying 2 shades of glittery blue. You can use any shades you want, by the way. I'm applying 1 dark shade and 1 light shade. Then I'm also applying a clear polish at the bottom to have that nice faded effect after dabbing it onto my nails. By the way, paint your cosmetic sponge with very thin layers of nail polish. Now dab it onto your nail. As always, repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Now let's do the cleanup. To finish this nail art, let's apply a thick layer of glossy top coat. Don't forget to seal in the tips to make this nail art last longer. And there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. Kindly watch more videos only here at honeycrunch321. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!